This samosa is delicious, Patlu.
It is, Motu. The best in Furfuri Nagar. Woohoo! We're gonna be rich!
Oh, Motu, this looks dangerous.
Don't worry, Patlu. I have a plan.
A plan? Are you sure, Moto? This looks very dangerous.
Hey, Patlu, look! That cave matches the map.
Yes, Moto. The treasure must be inside.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow.
What do you take the man top go by? Bileli, Bachelor, Darang, Gehrim, Dudota. मेरी एक बेटा तक आ रही है जब मैं की दी हम सभी खानी तुमने how many speed है the diamond will be ours tonight.
Perfect. Greetings, Dr. Jhatka. Moto Patlu, good to see you.
Inspector Chingam, sir, at your service. My latest invention. It will solve all our problems.
Wow, Dr. Jhatka. Amazing.
Hey, what is going on here? We need to get out of here right now. Oh, what a relief! We made it out!
Thanks to you, Ghasitaram.
It was nothing, my friends. This invention can really help the city, you see. Wow!
Wow! Indeed! I'm not that. मैं जो दे दीदा के दीदार होते थोड़े से आगे प्रतिनिधि बतवा बात यार ये कलरिए दाप तो हम कराए ना कि यार ही डाल दे हैं अब आने के